This is Viridor, a leader in the world of waste recovery and energy recycling. Reuse, recycle and recover. These are the cornerstones of the Viridor strategy. It's a company that's fanatical about energy efficiency and protecting our resources. My name's Andy Salter and I'm here at Viridor's Bargeddie site, near Glasgow. The company has recently been through the EcoStars Fleet Recognition Programme and achieved a magnificent 5-star rating. For a company that operates in the dirty world of what we used to call bin lorries, this is a significant achievement. I'm here today to talk to their head of logistics, Jock Templeton, to find out how this company is achieving such a high level of efficiency. Now, EcoStars is a company assessment driving efficiency improvements. What made you get involved?
Basically, I seen it on LinkedIn and contacted the guys and asked them how I got involved with that. Sat down, explained everything to me, that they would do a roadmap with us, look at what we do with fuel consumption and stuff like that, and they would do a roadmap to make us better at hitting more target and lowering more emissions. It was a big thing for me because obviously for a logistics point of view, the only big saving that we think we can make is on fuel consumption. Looking at driver behaviour, looking at idling was a massive thing for the company, and we really bought into it. So EcoStars got on board with us, came on site, done the roadmap with us, helped us and supported us through that, and we managed to get 5 stars. And from that we've had a lot of other things, like we've been to seminars with them, we've done some talks on fuel consumption and that, which is really good for us as a business as well.
So when we look specifically at drivers, let's drill down into your driver management and the driver training that you have here at Viridor.
Well, the biggest thing when I first came in was we were having a churn of drivers, and we looked at upskilling. So basically giving the loader a chance to grow into a driver. So looking at that, I got a training company involved in that and basically signed every one of my drivers up to an NVQ. And they helped us with the upskilling programme. With guys under the 18 years of age, they can actually go for heavy goods through the NVQ programme. So a lot of that is funded by Skills Development Scotland as well. So it was good to get those guys, trained up and basically retain them. This is guys that have been here for 6-7 years as loaders, so you're giving them a wee bit back, you're doing a bit of talent pooling, and you're giving them a progression plan for the future.
I think you see the driver, you've been a driver,
yep.
You know what it's like on the
Yep.
front line.
Yep.
It strikes me that at Viridor the driver is more than just a bin driver.
He's the front line for our company, and that's why we spend a lot of money and making them as good as they can be.
How do you drive that efficiency?
We've got driver teams in Glasgow. Basically the drivers are split into teams and they're managed in teams. So they're KPI'd on that as well, and they're scored on that. So they can basically score against each other. We find that motivates people, and they start to manage from within their team, so they self-manage themselves.
KPIs are obviously a very important part of anybody's operation. What do you have here that you use to manage the company?
We've got Michaelize is our preferred tracking system at the moment, and we get reports from that. So we get unscheduled stop reports, we get idling reports, we get A to G reports on driver behaviour as well, and we do it with that. Unscheduled report here shows every time that driver stops. So if there's anybody over an hour, then we're querying that, why you stopped for over an hour. We challenge it, we challenge that. We also challenge idling on a daily basis, and we also challenge the A to G report on a weekly basis.
So if you could offer advice to the rest of the EcoStars family, what would it be?
It goes a long way now, because a lot of companies that are using us are looking at what we're doing to try and cut down on our carbon footprint, as well as providing them with that as well.
So that's Viridor, and it's 5 stars. A company who, in Jock Templeton, have got one of the most enthusiastic and infectious transport managers I've ever come across. EcoStars as a programme is clearly helping Jock to continuously improve his operation. And that's something that you can benefit from as well. Just get in touch with the EcoStars team via the website or call the hotline number. It will assist you in improving your fleet efficiency.